What's going on, everyone? Anthony Cofrancesco here from Data Dive. And in this video, I'm going to be answering a very common question, which is how to start a dive. And if you're using Data Dive now, you're lucky because starting a dive is easier and faster than ever before, thanks to a new feature we just released called Niche Dive. Now, what Niche Dive allows you to do is build an entire set of research based off one single product using our algorithm. Now, there's three different spots that you can start a niche dive. First is from the Amazon search results. So what I've done is I've typed in this keyword wine glass, and I'm going to see how good this niche dive is and see if it'll find other products that are this style of wine glass without a stem. So if I want to start a niche dive, you'll see on the bottom left-hand side underneath the product, you see a button for niche dive. All you got to do is click it. And then our algorithm is going to work in the background and find other similar products to the one that I've selected. It works pretty quick. Let's see how it does. All right, so the results are in, and like magic, look at this. It has gotten me a handful of other products that are all exactly the same. There might be some quantity variations, but very similar competitors, perfect for building out research in your niche. Now, the second place that you can start a niche dive is from the product detail page. Just like before, you see this button for Niche Dive. Click it. Data Dive is going to go and find 15 plus relevant competitors that are very similar. And then the third place that you can start a niche dive from is inside of the tool. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see the button for Niche Dive. I'm going to paste in that same ASIN for the product detail page that I pulled up. And I can choose as many competitors as I'd like. I'm going to choose 30 in this example, and then click Create Niche. Just like before, Data Dive is going to go and find similar competitors to the ASIN that I've selected. Now, a few best practices for using Niche Dive. First and foremost, when you're selecting the product to create your niche dive off of, we recommend choosing the #1 organic bestseller for that niche. It's just going to help the algorithm work a little more effectively in finding similar competitors. If you do this, you can always go and add your own product after creating the dive. Once you've created the niche, you can always go and add your product manually to that niche by clicking this button here for Add ASINs, paste in your ASIN, and then you can add that to the dive. So I hope you found that video to be helpful. If you want to go and use the manual way of creating your own niche using the Add to ASIN tray feature, I'll link the video down below. And until next time, thanks so much for watching.